Hey guys, welcome to TechZay Gaming. In this video, I'm going to review the Vivo Y95. So without wasting any more time, let's just get right into the video. And I have made another channel for gameplays. So I have put the link in description box below. So if you guys are interested in gameplays like Fortnite, PUBG or any of those games, just go to that channel and subscribe to that channel. I'll be uploading their gameplays regularly. I mean as frequently as possible. This video was shot by Motavai, so you can also check him out. I have put his Facebook link in description box below, and this video was made by the help of hello.com. They are a great shop in Tangail, so just visit them out. Address and Facebook group link is given in the description box below. So let's just get right into the video. First of all, let's go through the box. On the box there's nothing much. On the back side of the box there is some stuff written, like the phone has hello display, 20 megapixel front camera, and the phone has 4030 mAh of battery. Now let's come to the design of the phone. The design of the phone is actually pretty good. On the back side you get the fingerprint sensor and a gradient look, and it looks pretty nice to be honest. The phone also has dual camera setup on the back, and there is a flashlight under the camera. On the right side there is the power button and the volume rocker, and on the bottom side we have the micro USB port, and we also have the 3.5mm headphone jack. And yep, the phone has water drop notch on the front. The display of the device is actually pretty good. The colors and the stuff are pretty saturated, and there is no negativity on the display. Now let's come to the specifications. The device is actually running a Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 chipset, but for some reason on CPU Z it shows 435. The phone also has 4 gigs of RAM and about 64 gigabytes of storage, and that is a lot. And yep, the phone also has 4030 mAh of battery, and that is a lot. The phone is running on FunTouch OS on top of Android Oreo 8.1.0. Now if you guys don't know, then FunTouch OS is quite identical to iOS and it feels super weird, but the OS is actually pretty good, fast and smooth. There's not much bloatware on the OS. The Antutu score of the phone is about 80,000. Now let's come to the gaming performance. The gaming performance of the device was actually quite okay. Like for the processor, I didn't expect so much from the device in terms of gaming, but still the device actually performed pretty well on gaming. I mean, I would give it 7 out of 10 for gaming. The camera of the device is actually pretty good. Here are some sample photos, and there's another weird thing on the camera, that the phone has variable aperture settings for blur. Now this doesn't actually work on like hardware side, and it is totally software based. The front camera of the device is pretty good as well, as it has a 20 megapixel sensor, and that is one of the main attractions of this phone. You guys also get a gift box from Vivo if you guys buy this phone or other phones from Vivo that launched recently. And here are some stuff that you are going to get in the gift box if you buy a phone from Vivo. So guys, let's come to the conclusion if you guys should buy this phone or not. First of all, it is not a value for money. Like, you are getting Snapdragon 439, that is not even close to Snapdragon 636. So I think it would be better if you guys just skip this phone. So guys, this is it for today, and I'll catch you up in the next video.